This is Chris Smith with Modern Trailer Sales. We're going to do a video walkthrough on a 2022 Forest River Wildwood 29V Bud. This is a 2-bedroom travel trailer with a super slide. All of the Wildwoods are going to come standard with a power front jack, power stabilizing jacks, power awning with LED lights. This model has a huge front storage compartment for all your gear. It has the More Ride fold-up step, a lot more sturdy, wider footprint. And then you have your small outside kitchen here with the refrigerator and the griddle. Let's go take a look on the inside. So as we enter the travel trailer, you can see that we have a tremendous amount of space with the super slide. This model has the Versa Lounge, which, as you can see here from the poster, can be utilized as a dinette, big horseshoe dinette, a big chase lounge, or fold out into 2 large beds. This model has lots of very large windows with mechanical shades. In the back room here, we have the stow and go door, so you could put your bicycles, your grills, what have you in here. You have 2 fold-up bunks on top, and then you have a sofa that folds out into a queen bed on the bottom. Moving around into the kitchen, we have a very large pantry. The upgraded 10 cubic foot Everchill refrigerator. That is the DC fridge. A nice amount of countertop space. Overhead cabinets. Your entertainment area will accommodate a very large TV. Has a Bluetooth soundbar. And there is a fireplace standard on this model. Into the master bedroom here, you can see we have wardrobes on either side of the bed, nightstands, little cubbies on either side with power, and then there's USB chargers on both sides as well, and then a nice additional linen storage / closet. And then in the bathroom, you see we have a really large corner shower. Some additional storage there. Large sink and vanity area. And of course the medicine cabinet. And then you have your upgraded pedal flush toilet. Fantastic floor plan here. We do quite well with this model here at Modern Trailer Sales. So if you're looking for something that'll sleep a lot of bodies and has some decent space and storage, you might want to come check this out. This is a 2022 Forest River Wildwood 29V Bud. I'm Chris Smith with Modern Trailer Sales.